that was a mistake, sorry. I forgot to run the program, of course. Yeah. Let's give it 15, right? And you see it prints fizz instead of fizz buzz. What's the issue? The issue actually is the linear execution in Python, right? So this if statement comes to the interpreter first, then this elif statement, then oops, then this elif statement, then this else statement, right? So Python sees this statement first, and 15 is obviously divisible by 3, right? So it prints fizz, and then the program ends because there is nothing after the if else block, right? This is the whole thing is the if else block. So how do we fix this? We just check this condition first, right? So if I cut this and I'll just paste it here, and I'll cut this and I'll paste it here, right? So we are checking if it is divisible by both first, and if this one does not run, we are sure that it's not divisible by both. It's either divisible by 5 or 3 or neither. So we are checking the worst case first, and we will be printing fizz buzz, and here we will be printing fizz, right? And let's see if that works. Okay, once again I'll be taking 15 fizz buzz. That works. Let's put 7, which is divisible by none of them, right? And let's just run this, and 7. Yeah, it prints out 7. So that works. That was fizz buzz in